The M12 fuel compact bandsaw, the speed is a lot nicer than other bandsaws that I've used. Having it cut at a faster speed, it gives you a lot cleaner cut.
The M12 fuel compact bandsaw, the speed of the bandsaw is very efficient. I can actually get cleaner cuts and be able to put up my work quicker.
It cuts it right through and it gives you that clean, straight cut through.
Now that you can accept more materials, I'm not carrying a heavier bandsaw and I can carry a lighter one.
Since it is lighter, you have more stamina to make a lot more cuts up on top of a ladder.
The size and weight of the M12 compact bandsaw is very ergonomic. You can stay on the job site without being fatigued.
The capacity on it is very nice, having a 2-inch cut for the unistrut and some of the bigger pipe that we run.
After 26 years in the trade, your shoulders turn to junk, and so the lighter the better. For overhead work, it's a big deal.
You can have one tool that can do a majority of a lot of your work.
I was actually surprised that an M12 battery was able to give that fast cut that it did.
The LED light is very bright. It's very easy to see my lines in dark spaces.
The reamer is fantastic and it's a lot faster than hand cranking.
To me, the hook is a really big feature. You can hang it off your cart, pipe vise, it's very convenient.
The M12 compact bandsaw is light, fast, I mean it does everything.
I would recommend the M12 fuel compact bandsaw to anyone that's in the trades world.